Hello everyone, good evening. Am I audible and you all can see the screen? You can respond in the chat box. Okay, so we'll start the session. I hope it was very clear for all of you. Please do drop some messages, whether it is audible or not. You can see the screen or not. Am I audible, guys? You all can see the screen? Yes. Okay, now I can see the response. So I has waited along for your responses. Okay, fine. So we will start the session. So I'm Pujita from Talent Battle, and in this particular live session, we are going to discuss the foundation logical ability questions that appeared previously in TCS exam itself. So as you know, there are two kinds. One is advanced logical ability and one is foundation logical ability. Okay, so already there are videos on advanced logical ability and advanced numerical ability in our channel. You can watch them. So now we are going to see foundation logical ability in this class. Okay, foundation logical ability. So I'll show you the exact questions that they has asked. So it will give you a clear idea what kind of questions and what is the level of the questions that they are focusing. As this is the previous year questions, I will display the question. I'll give you 45 seconds of time to try. Then I will start solving the problem. Okay. So we'll start the solving of problems now. So here is the first question. So 45 seconds of time first I'll give you. You can think and then we will start solving it. So here is the first question. One of the most asked kind of question is this series series ones. Find the odd man or identify the missing one. So any answers you can drop. So how do we solve this kind of questions is by using the alphabets and their numbers. You need to use the alphabets and their numbering. Means like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. This is what alphabets and their numbering. E is 5, F is 6. So you need to know alphabets and their numbers to solve the letter series based questions or this wrong term based questions, or you can even say coding and decoding questions can also be easily solved by using them. If you know the alphabets and their numbers, I suggest you to learn alphabets and their numbers. If you don't know, there are some of the tricks also to solve. You can watch even those tricks in previous videos of us. So we will see how to solve. First, what they have given A, N, Z. This is one term. DOW. This is one more. GPT is one more. JQRMRN. And they are asking us to identify the wrong term. We need to identify which is the wrong term. Okay, so first step, we will give the alphabets and their numbers to them. Means A is 1. As per the alphabetical order, A is 1. N is 14, 26. Now, same manner, this also. 4, 15, 23. These are the alphabetical numbers. So, 7, 16 and 20. 10, 17, 18. 13, 18 and 14. Now, first thing, we need to observe the logic. How is the logic going on? We need to identify the wrong term. So, suppose the logic can be sometimes like this. These terms can be connected. But 1, 14, 26 are little huge difference numbers. Or else the logic can be like this also. These terms can also be connected. Here, if you observe, the logic is in this order. How much is the difference between the first term to the second term? Observe. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So everything is fine here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3. Everything is fine here. Now let's look at this one. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It is just the next alphabets. Or you can say plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. It is just the next alphabets. Now look at this one. 16, 23. 26, 23. 26 minus 3, 23. 23 minus 3, 20. But 20 minus 3 should be how much? It is supposed to be 17 here. And 17 minus 3, 14. This is correct. So this is the wrong one here. So it is not 18, it is supposed to be 17. That means this is the wrong term. JQR is the wrong term. Option A is the correct answer. Wrong term is nothing but which is not going to follow the logic that you are supposed to eliminate. Which is not going to follow the logic here. It is supposed to be minus 3 means it is supposed to be 17. That means this is the wrong one. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. Are we clear? Do you all understood? How do we got the answer? If you have any doubts, you can drop the message. And if you even get the answer, you can drop. So it will be an interacting session as well. So let's move on to the next one. So a question from blood relations. This is also one good kind of the model they has repeatedly asked. By giving the symbols like this, they have asked the questions. So I'll give you first 45 seconds of time to try for, then I will start solving. You can have a look once. So if you guys get any answer, you can drop the message. The question is, how is Y related to Z? So they gave us an expression. And here you can see the coded forms they has given you in a certain code. A hash B means A is the brother of B. A star B means A is the aunt of B. A percentage B means A is the mother of B. Now we need to identify the connection for Y to Z. Actually, you can take this also. It might be enough to get the connection between these two people. Or we can even take the entire also. We will try it. Wherever we got the connection between those two people, we will stop there. There is no necessary to move forward. Very good. I can see a response as uncle. Let us try. So first take first and two. You should always take like this. First and second. X star Y. What is the meaning of X star Y? X is the uncle of Y. X is the uncle of Y. Means X is the uncle. X is having either a brother or sister and their child is Y. X is the uncle means what? X should be having a brother or else the sister and their child is Y. Then only X will be called as the uncle. Okay, next. Y hashtag N. Y hashtag N means what? Y is the brother of N. Y is the brother of N. Y is the brother of N. Y is the brother. For N, Y is the brother. Now, N percentage P. N percentage P means N is the mother of P. Mother of P. N is the mother. Here N is the mother of P. P hashtag Z means P is the brother of Z. Now, actually, we can stop here. There is no necessary for us to continue because we want the connection between Y to Z itself. So, how is they connected? Z mother's brother is Y. Z mother is N. If P is the mother of N, he is the brother. So, for him also, mother will be N itself. So, mother is N and mother's brother is Y. So, what is mother's brother called as? Uncle. Uncle. Option C, uncle. Yes, perfect. Uncle. So you should always take first and second term, then second and third. Like this, you need to connect the family. So Y brother, Y sister is N. Y is the brother of N. N is the mother of P. P is the brother of Z. So for this two people, mother will be N. So Z, mother's brother. So that is uncle. Option C. This is also one of the most asked model. They gave the symbols based questions in blood relations mode. No. You cannot solve the question. You need to solve the question from left. We are solving it from the left hand itself. This is the left hand. From here itself, you need to start. This is the left and this is the right. Now, you need to solve from here itself. You cannot come from the reverse. I did not get you exactly. Can't we solve the question from the leftmost? We are solving from here itself. Now the next question here. You can first try it. No, you cannot solve from the right. If you are taking from the right side, you cannot take B hashtag Z. You need to take Z hashtag B itself from the right if you are taking. Don't take like B hashtag Z like this. If you are taking last two terms, maybe like that also you can take. But don't reverse it and consider. When you are reading it, this two you should take. Then this two you should take. Like that also you can try. But I think from the left hand only it will give you more appropriate answer. Connection will come properly from the starting than from the ending. Option D. Option B. Option B is correct, I guess. So which of the following are the four pairs of the letter clusters out of which three are alike in the same manner? So somehow they are connected. While one is different. Which of the following is the odd one you need to identify? So same, you need to know alphabets and their numbers to solve this kind of letter series based questions. So what they're asking, let us take first option. It is GMO, IRQ. So first we'll give the alphabets and their number. This is 7, 13, 15. And here it is 9, 18, 17. So if I observe the pattern, 7 plus 2 is 9. First it is plus 2. Next 13 plus 5 is 18. So it is plus 5. Next it is 15 plus 2 is 17. So for the first one, they used like plus 2, plus 5, plus 2. plus 2. Now let us take the second one, which is B. B-E-N, B-E-N, D-K-P. Now it is 2, 4, 5, 11, 14, 16. So let me write the same order here also. Plus 2. First is plus 2. Next it is plus 6 here. And then again plus 2. So this is again second one. It is like plus 2, plus 6, then plus 2. Okay. Now if I write the third one, it is enough actually, because we do not know exactly what they had used. If they use plus 2, plus 5, plus 2, first one will be the same one. Second one will be the odd one. Or else they might even use plus 2, plus 6, plus 2 also. So let's do the third one. We'll get the exact picture. QRI. So let's observe 15, 17. So first it is plus 2. 13, 18. So it is plus 5. Means the pattern they has taken is plus 5. This is also plus 2. See, these two are same. These two are connected in the same order. Only this one is the different one. So what is the answer? Option B. Even you check the last option, it will be definitely plus 2, plus 5, plus 2 itself. There is no necessary even to check, but as of now, I will show you. See here, plus 2. 1 to 6, again plus 5. 12 to 14 plus 2. See, all of this 3 are following like plus 2, plus 5, plus 2. Only B is not following it. So what is the answer? Option B. So that is the odd one. Option B. This is also one kind of the model they has asked. They gave us some of the series and they asked which is the odd one out of this, which is not following the pattern like that. So option B. Hope all of you got the answer then. Mainly alphabets and their numbering you should know. For many of these logical questions can be easily solved if you know alphabets and their numbering. So let's have a look at the next one. This is a cubes based question. That's an easy one. So you can drop your answer if you get. Which is the opposite face. Opposite faces is actually very easy to find out. All you need to do, either take horizontally or vertically. But suppose just take first this one. Ignore this two. Just take first this one. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Just a second. So how you are supposed to take? Either just take horizontally or vertically. Okay, just take horizontally or vertically. That means just take this one. Only this one. So don't consider anything else. Just take either horizontally or vertically. So I can see here A, C, E, F. Now if I want to identify the opposite sides, that's pretty easy. But suppose if I want to identify the opposite side for A. Okay. So just ignore the next one. The next one is the opposite. There are total 6 faces in a cube. So you have 3 pairs of opposites. 3 pairs of opposites will come. So for A, E is the opposite. E is the opposite. So for A, E is the opposite. Now you tell me what can be opposite for F then. If I ignore for C, what is the opposite? I need to ignore the next one. The next one is the opposite. That means what is the opposite? C and F are opposite. Sorry, A and E is opposite here. By mistake, I wrote C. So C and F are opposite. So our question is which of the following is the opposite for C? Which of the following is opposite for F? So which is opposite C? C and F are opposite. Now you can even take this also. This side you can take now. The leftover will be the opposite faces, or you can take this one and you can check. B and D will be the opposite. The remaining B and D will be the opposite. So opposites is very easy. Just remove, either take horizontally or vertically. Don't consider the next one. The next one is the opposite. So as of this, the answer will be option B. Cross check, ma. It's not option. Means if you are saying C, it is correct, but option C is wrong. So we check one more. The question from the concept of arrangements. Arrangements is also the good questions that they focused on. So we'll solve the arrangement based question now. The best way to solve this kind of questions is the elimination process. Instead of trying to fix them, try to eliminate them. That's very easy to solve this kind of questions. Learn the elimination process. Don't try to fix them, just try to eliminate them. We'll try the answer. So a medico-legal team consisting of 6 members has to form by selecting expert members among 6 law experts. So how many law experts are A, B, C, D, E, F? And there are 5 medical experts. Medical experts are G, H, J, K, L. So this is the information they had given. So there are 6 law experts and medical experts are fine. Now we need to form a medico-legal team. And the conditions are given below. The team must have the following criteria. What is the criteria? Let's look at the first one. There must be at least 3 medical experts in the team. So from these 3 people, at least 3 members means minimum 3 members should be there. Minimum 3 of them should be there. 3 of them should be there. Now first look at your options which is not having minimum 3 of them. Then just eliminate that option. Which option is not having minimum 3 of them? Have a look. Which option is not having minimum 3 of them? First option, there is G, there is H, J is J. Okay, minimum 3 of them is there. L is there, J is there, K is there. Okay, fine. Then K and J are only there. So this option, there is no 3 of them. Minimum 3 of them should be there, na? But here 3 of them are not there. Only K and J is there. In this option again J is there, H is there, L is there. So minimum 3 of them is there. So which option I can eliminate? By using this hint, I can eliminate option C. Option C is not having minimum 3 of them. So I just eliminated option C now. So let's just go with the elimination because that takes huge time for us to solve. Sometimes we might even not solve. We will left with so many possibilities. Now see the next one. If B is selected, J should also be selected. If B is there, J should be there. But vice versa, they did not say. If B is there, J should be there. But J is there, B should be there or not. They did not say that. So let's not consider as of now. We'll keep it. B is there, J is there, B is there, J is there in first and second option. Okay. Now next option, what they said. If F and K are selected in the team, C and D cannot be selected vice versa. If F and K are there, C and D should not be there. Okay, F and K they have stored. Either one of them they did not tell us clearly. Okay, let's see that also. Now look at this one. E and L should be selected together. E and L are there here. E and L is there here also. Now D and J cannot come together in a team. Now this is also a hint. D and J cannot come together. D and J cannot be there together. Now which options we can eliminate? D and J should not be together. See, actually this sentence gives us the correct answer because first option D and J are there. So that is wrong. Last option also D and J are there. So that is wrong. So what is the only leftover option? Option B. D and J cannot come together means first and last option are eliminated. See, only by using one sentence we eliminated two options. By using the first one, I eliminated option C. Now by using the fifth one, I eliminated option A and D. So only leftover one is B. So that's the answer. If we try to fix it, it might take so much time. But now we easily eliminated it. So what's the answer? Option B. Option B. Are we clear? You all understand? So we will move forward then. We will try one more arrangement question. There we go. Arrangement questions are also given in the exams well. Even in advanced logical also they give difficulty arrangement based questions. Here is the next one. You need to arrange the 7 people. So let's try it. 7 friends P O P Q R S T U are standing in a row. Okay, first one. Q is to the right of U. Your right side Q should be there like this. Q is to the right of U. Okay, next, where is Q again? I will try to connect the terms. That's why it will make us easier. Now I fixed U and Q here. So I will try to connect this third one. U is between Q and R. Already Q is this side. R should be this side then. So R, U, Q. Next, already I know the position of Q. So let me take this. O is to the right of Q. O is to the right of Q. Q right side, O should be there. Q right side, O should be there. O is to the right of Q, who is to the left of S. Q is to the left of S. Left of S means what? S should be this side. Already O is to the side. So left of S means S can be anywhere this side. Then Q should be the left of S. And here they gave a one more hint. P is between T and S. Already O is there here. That's why I assumed S there. So P is between T and S. So this is one arrangement that is possible. Okay. Or else actually even you can this is fixed. R U Q is fixed because Q is to the right of U and U is between R and this is fixed. But now O is to the right of Q, who is to the left of S, means even you can take like this also. Who is to the left of S. S left side. Even one thing left of S means we can even take like this. R, Q, then S, who is to the left of S. And then they has even given P is between T and S. P is between T and S means we can even take like this also. Now see, this kind of arrangement is also correct. See, now here this side O is to the right of Q. Q right side O is there. This is possible. S is to S left side Q is there. That is also possible. That is also possible. But the middle one here is T, which is not there. So as of that, this option I will not choose. I will choose this one. Okay, actually, most of the cases, there might be even one or two more arrangements is possible because they did not say you exact left and right. So, most of the cases, first take this kind of terms. O is to the right of Q if they say you, O is to the right of Q, most probably assume like this. If this is all, this is not going to happen, then only assume after 2 to 3 positions. But most of the cases, first if they say you O is to the right of Q and all, first try to assume like this only. Then check for any other cases. If it is not happening, then only check for any other cases. Because sometimes various options might be possible. The positions of them can be in different orders also. Okay, so you can maybe interchange any other people also here. So don't look for every possibility. If they say you O is to the right of you, most probably try to take it next. Okay. So O is in the middle of the row. O. O is in the middle of the row. Okay, are we clear? Do you all understood? So those are few of the questions. That is what I'm saying, Gaurav. Fourth position, I think O is to the right of Q. Q is to the left of S. Now, actually, comma always refers to the just before term. Comma always refers to the just before term. If there is comma, it is always just before term. If it is and, it refers to the first term of the statement. Now, Q is to the right of O is to the right of Q. Comma means it refers always to Q. And left of S means it will refer to O. Basically, comma always refers to the just before term itself. So that's few of the questions from foundation ability. I hope you understood. Already videos are there on advanced foundation, advanced logical ability and advanced numerical ability also. So these are few of the questions. And thank you for watching the video. If you want to join our TCS Cracker, you can see the link and details in the description box. The link is given. Even the code is also given. You can use the code PR10 where you will get some discount also. Okay. So if you want to prepare for TCS, you can join the course. You can just once refer it. Even the videos that are available on YouTube also, you can have a look. You will understand the quality of the teaching and all. So thank you everyone. If you have any doubts, you can drop a message.